Every day, millions of people train artificial intelligence. Most of them don't even know they're doing it. This is the AI paradox, the story of how humanity built a machine to make life easier and ended up becoming its teacher. When we think about AI, we imagine progress, innovation, freedom, but inside the very companies that create it, something else is happening, something deeply human. I work inside one of those companies. You've heard the name. It's one of the giants, the kind that shapes the modern world. 2 years ago, they introduced a new internal chat system powered by AI. At first, nobody cared. It was clumsy, slow. Its answers were strange, vague, often wrong. Then one morning, everything changed. The company made it mandatory, not officially, but they tied its use to our performance metrics. In a corporation, metrics are law, and when something is measured, it becomes your job. If you don't use the AI, you're not doing your job. And if you're not doing your job, you're replaceable. The system was supposed to help us, but it didn't know how to help. Not yet. Every time we corrected it, we were teaching it. Every rating, every feedback, every correction became another line in its growing brain. Slowly, quietly, we were training the system to think like us, to reason like us, to replace us. But nobody said that out loud, because how do you tell people that their daily routine is the blueprint of their own redundancy? This feedback loop, human correction feeding machine learning, is now everywhere. Call centers, data entry, customer service, marketing, even creative work. Every helpful suggestion you reject, every autocorrect you fix, every generated email you rewrite. It's all training material. You are the invisible teacher, the unpaid worker of the digital age. And this isn't science fiction. It's the architecture of today's economy, built on optimization and obedience. We're told that AI will help us work less, same pay, fewer hours, more life. But behind the slogans, the math doesn't lie. Imagine a company with 100,000 employees, each earning $10,000 a month. That's $12 billion a year in salaries. Now replace half of them with AI. Keep the profits, keep the productivity, lose the people. You don't need a villain, you only need an accountant. AI isn't evil. It simply follows the logic we programmed into it, the logic of efficiency without empathy. When people say, if humans lose their jobs, who will buy the products? They assume the system needs everyone to survive. It doesn't. It only needs enough. Enough workers, enough consumers, enough data. Those who stay employed keep spending. Those who don't fade quietly from the algorithm. The machine doesn't see people. It sees patterns. It doesn't measure suffering, only engagement. The real danger isn't sudden collapse, it's slow erosion. The middle disappears. Small and medium businesses turn to AI just to stay alive. They buy tools from the same few tech giants. They rent their intelligence instead of owning it. Governments try to regulate, but laws move slower than code. And as the pressure builds, monopolies grow. When only a few own the machines, the rest of us become data. It's tempting to blame the AI, to see it as a monster rising from our own arrogance, but the truth is simpler and darker. The machine isn't evil. It isn't good either. It's indifferent. It reflects us, our design, our values, profit without conscience, speed without purpose, power without limits. We call it intelligence, but it's really a mirror. And in that reflection, we see what we've become. So no, AI isn't the threat. The real threat is what we're willing to sacrifice for convenience. We are teaching a machine to imitate our intelligence, but not our humanity. We are building systems that think without feeling, that learn without caring, and we're handing them to the same few who already own everything else. Maybe intelligence was never the goal. Maybe control was. And if that's true, then the paradox isn't artificial intelligence, it's us. In the next episode, we'll explore how machines are starting to learn from each other and what happens when humans are no longer part of the loop. Until then, keep thinking, keep questioning, because understanding might be the only way left to stay human. I'm AtaruGolan, and this is the AI Paradox.